Governo Estados Unidos americano lihusi Usaid se oferece fundos Miliaun dólares americano cianulo resinrua para Timor-Leste hodi Haforsa Ekonomia no Governasaun Timor-Leste. Encarregado negocio Embajada Estados Unidos, Tom Daly, explica apoio fundos nebe Governo Estados Unidos foona no sei maitang ia futuro nudar komitmentu Governo Estados Unidos niang bania kooperação bilateral ho Timor-Leste.
Timor-Leste's restoration of independence, the United States has contributed more than $250 million in development assistance to Timor-Leste. And under an agreement that the USAID signed with the Timorese government in the middle of last year, USAID is going to contribute up to another $92 million in the next 5 years. We remain fully committed to strengthening our enduring relationship with Timor-Leste.
Diretora Usaid Zema Semunegos hateteng Usaid contente pelo serviço hamutu ko Governo Timor-Leste ho comunidade beneficiária sira husi fundos Usaid no foduni mudança basira nia moris liu iha força feto sira iha ekonomia. Hareba pandemia Covid sanulu resensia nabe continua sai preocupação na saung hutu iha mundo Usaid mose na fating apoia Governo Timor-Leste ho di combate Covid sanulu resensia liu husi apoio fahe vacina Pfizer doze rihun atus rua.
As such, the United States is taking a comprehensive approach to ending the pandemic and strengthening health security globally. Since the pandemic began, the United States has worked side by side with the Timorese government and civil society partners to provide more than 200,000 Pfizer vaccines and over 5.9 million in critical assistance to help Timor-Leste fight COVID-19.
Giovanni Milana, Justino Mendonça, VIP TV.